Good morning, my name is Fabrizio Relia, I'm Italian. Why would you like to choose Kitchino? Because the quality of the kitchen itself was amazing, and the design of the kitchen was very quick and very professional. We made an agreement 2 months ago, and it was necessary to deliver the kitchen for a certain period of time. Kitchino was right on time. The service was very good, the delivery was perfect, and the installation was as per plan. And I strongly recommend it to anyone who wants to make a kitchen here in Solo.